So today we're building our dinette chair. We are repurposing these chairs we bought off Amazon. We bought the pair of them for $240, and that way we can repurpose them in the future, or reuse them, or replace them if we need to, rather than building our own custom chairs. What I've done though is I've taken, we had legs that came with the chair, but I've replaced them with our own 2x2s. We're going to place plywood sheathing over the top of this to create a box, which then we can have for storage. One side will have a drawer that opens up, or a panel that opens up. So we have our other chair that we haven't built yet. I'm going to show you what we're planning on doing with this and how we did it. We reused the stock holes that are right there, since they are already set up for chair legs. We're just going to mark these. What I do is I mark the metal holes with a marker and then just press it into the wood so I get an imprint, and then I drill my holes through there and then reuse the bolts that came with it for the other chair legs. The other chair legs kind of leaned back a bit, so they weren't really useful for what we were doing. But yeah, then we'll do that. We'll set the leg inside, and then we'll have our plywood that sits out here, a nice finished plywood that'll cover all this up, make it look really nice. So I'm going to mark the holes here on the chair so I can get my markings, so I can drill my holes into my 2x2. It's best to use a grease pencil, something that can get oily in it. If you have some like just motor oil, you can just smear it on there and transfer it that way. We have lip gloss, so we're going to use that. Dab it on.
Duct tape and lip gloss. Get you through everything, doesn't it?
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, that was an event. We got our fridge in. Woohoo! We'll have to move it again because we still got to put floors in, but at least we got it in. That's all that matters, right, babe?